rwan. There's something in his back now. Something's happening.
Something,
Yeah,
is it moving around?
Something.
Do you feel something moving around in your body?
Something's happening on his shoulder here. Alright, keep praying.
Yeah, keep praying, it's something.
Yeah. Allan o na rwan, allan cancer, o na rwan. Rwan!
So we're here at the North Wales Kickstart and it's been a great time, and I'm here with Afryls, who has experienced many new things this weekend.
I went out with two people locally to a town called Porthmadog, where we came across one gentleman in particular who's been suffering from cancer in the lungs, and I asked him if he would like me to pray for him, to ask the cancer to come out of his body. And he shrugged and went, and I did. And it was an amazing experience for me and for him, because by the authority given by God, I commanded the cancer to come out of his body, and my hand was on his shoulder and he started twitching, and I asked him, was there anything happening in his body? And he said, yes, he was surprised. Yes, there is, there's something happening, he said. So I continued to pray and ask that cancer to come out of his body now, and I actually did it in Welsh. And again he was twitching his body, and he stood up and he couldn't believe it, what was happening. He was shrugging his shoulders, and it was still happening to him. So he went over to a friend of his who was in a wheelchair and told him, and he said, what's happening? And he explained to him, something's actually happening to my body, he said. It's happening, So that was a new experience for me, and it was wonderful, and I praise God. Thank you very much.